Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for the weekend, November 28th and 29th, 2015. We're going to have a cold front that's going to be moving through the area today. Very slow to move through. This is going to be one of those deals where it's, for the most part, it's just cloudy across the area, with just a few passing showers here and there. Very hit or miss, not a constant rainfall. Some areas could have a couple hours duration straight before it moves through, but other areas will just be very hit or miss, and so it's not going to be a major system here. You can see where the front is here, but not a lot of precipitation along this frontal boundary as this moves off to the southeast, and it's going to do so very slowly. I think it does finally move through most of our area in the overnight hours tonight, but still a leftover shower or two overnight, especially for our southern areas here, it looks like, as this front starts drifting south. You can see it's starting to move here, moving slowly to the south here. This is a look at Saturday evening here. So we went from this early Saturday morning to just 12 hours later, moving only down to right here. So it's really not moving through very fast. And then we get to the next frame here in the overnight hours, and most of any precipitation that's left over is going to be concentrated further to the south at this point. Let's go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We'll start this off at Saturday afternoon. Concentration of any shower activity. Again, this is very light here, nothing heavy. Shower activity is going to be mostly to the west, our western parts of our coverage area. Actually, southwest would be a more accurate description of that. Do you see some of those showers moving to the east here, just kind of hanging around? This is Saturday evening, around 5 o'clock in the evening, and then as we get into late evening here, it becomes more spotty, and then eventually the concentration of this precipitation just kind of hangs around to the southern areas here in the overnight hours. So again, it's going to start clearing from north to south, but it's going to take a very slow time doing that. So we get into Sunday, the winds are going to shift around to the north, so they're going to be much cooler in areas that are to the north here, and areas that are not raining here by the time we get to Sunday. Sunday's going to be one of those days that starts off with the clouds in the morning and then gradual clearing throughout the day, called decreasing cloudiness. Or becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon. So I think that's your deal for Sunday. Sunday does look decent. Here's a look at Sunday here. Again, the southern areas might be hanging on to those showers maybe very early. That's a possibility, but I think elsewhere you're just clouds giving way to sun. Next system's going to be moving in here for Tuesday, but Monday is going to be an in-between day where you have a seasonably chilly day, maybe a couple degrees below normal for highs. On Monday, and then we move ahead and we get it. Here's a look at Monday. High pressure is in control to our north, so high and dry here Monday. Then we get past that, we get into Tuesday. Here's your showers moving in here. Nothing really heavy. This is just some showers moving in ahead, and this is most of this is just very light. So it's also going to be kind of chilly here on Monday night here. So there's an opportunity. You would think there would be an opportunity for some snow here, but it's actually some warm air advection, so it's moving warm air overriding cold air at the surface. This is not going to be anything but rain, it looks like. And then we get into Tuesday here. Here's your steady showers here that last into at least the first half of the evening on Tuesday. So almost an all-day event here with a shower activity here on Tuesday. And then the frontal boundary that's associated with it, it takes a cold front with it, but that front is so close by, another area with low pressure is going to move along that frontal boundary, move to the northeast, and that's going to give us another round of rain here, it looks like, here on Wednesday. This is more of a quick hitter here on Wednesday, it looks like. But then that moves out too. It gives us another round of rain, and then we get into Thursday and we start to clear out and we start getting a little bit cooler behind that second frontal boundary. So high pressure is going to be in control of our weather here for next Thursday and Friday. It looks like we're going to be with clear skies we're going to be dealing with, but we're going to be with the cooler temperatures as well. Temperatures heading back below normal as we get into the 3rd and 4th of December, heading into the month of December of 2015. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for the weekend, November 28th and 29th, 2015. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.